So adding reference is very important when we are doing assignments because we cannot directly take someone's work without their intention. Therefore, we need to add references and citations to our work. So most of the universities are penalizing their students as they haven't used correct referencing style in their work. So guys, in today's video I'm going to present an easy and time saving method to add references to your work. Those who have used MS Word for referencing might have a lot of difficulties when adding references one by one and typing their names, publisher names, authors and dates and all. So hereafter you can try this method when adding references to your work, and hope you will enjoy this video. Today I am going to use MyBib site and I will mention the link of the site in the description. This is the interface you are getting after visiting the site, and you can sign in for this site by clicking sign in button in the top right corner. So I am going to show the sign in button here. Okay. Using this you can sign in to the MyBib site. You can use this site for free, and by sign in, site will automatically save your past work. By clicking start new project, you can start a new work. Just click the button and give a name to your work. Therefore, you can easily find your work later on. So I'm going to add a new project. So employee productivity is my project. So I'm going to type here. Then later on I can find my project and I can refer references I have added to this work. Just give a name which you can easily recognize. My project is about employee productivity, that's why I'm going to name it as employee productivity. Or else you can enter a date as your project name. After entering the name of your assignment or project, you must select the referencing style which you want. Most of the time, institutes are giving required referencing style in their assignment brief. If not, you can use Harvard referencing style. This is because it is very important adding referencing styles to your assignment. If the referencing style is not given, you can use Harvard referencing style. This is because it is very common referencing style in academic conduct. Or else you can consult your lecturer regarding the referencing style, and make sure to add correct referencing style as marks are given for correct referencing. So I have selected my referencing style as Harvard referencing style. Now I am going to add sources to the site. You can click on add citation button to add sources to your work. They will requesting about a URL of the source which I need to add as a reference. I have already selected a journal article by Harvard Business Review and it is about balance scorecard. So now I am going to copy the URL of my article. This is the business article which I am going to refer. And it has written by Robert S. Kaplan and David P. Norton. I'll copy the link. And now I'm moving to my Bib site. So here you can paste your URL which you have already copied and click on the search button. So as you can see, they have already searched the article by entering URL. Something has happened, so I'm going to add my source again. So let me try it again. I'm going to paste here. I'm using my mobile, so if you can use laptop or desktop, my bib site is very much user friendly and you can easily add references to your work. So here are all details about the reference: web page author, authors, title of the page, date published, URL, website name, publisher, and all the details will be here. You can cross check if you want, but most of the time MyBib is picking up correct information required for the referencing style, and you can just click on save. Then it will be automatically saved in your work. Now it's done and you can see three dots at the right corner of your reference. Click those three dots for more options. You can take notes, copy bibliography entry, copy in-text citation, or else you can edit the reference, move project, or duplicate to project. You can directly copy bibliography entry, which means reference, to your Word document, or copy in-text citation, or else you can edit if you want to add more information to your reference, or you can move this reference to your another project, or you can permanently delete this reference from your work. After adding different sources, you can copy these sources as a reference list. Click on the blue color button next to the reference style button. The site gives different options for downloading. You can select one. As the first option, you can select copy paste, since you can directly paste it into your report. So I am going to click copy paste. This is all about MyBib. You can easily use it for free and it is very user friendly. Universities are allowing these kind of sites for adding references, since world is more digitalized and you do not need to waste your time with MS Word or manual typing. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.